Hello guys, welcome to Leo's Fitness channel, and today we will try some workout using my dumbbells and some athletic training na gagawin ko, and this is actually a partial requirement that I have to submit to my coaches, and hope you guys like it. But before that, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Alright, for our first workout, we'll try to do some squats. This is a variation of squat. This is actually called Goblet Squat. So basically, because you're trying to hold the dumbbell just like a goblet. So how you do it, so for those who are actually doing squat for like a lot of times already, you just have to make sure that your legs in a sumo position of squats, and you just have to hold the dumbbell this way, like level to your shoulders. Alright, and then just do the regular squats. So remember that you have to make sure that when you do this kind of squat, you position your knees in a 90 degrees angle, and as I mentioned kanina, make sure na nakasumo position ka when you do the goblet squat. Again, like this. And yung posture of your back should be straight. And also, if you notice, the position of my knees, it's not going forward. It's almost the same level nung toes ko. And what I do when I do goblet squat, degrees, lower your butt, and straight yung likod lang, straight yung posture of your back. Alright, that's number one. Alright, for number two, second leg exercise that we'll be doing is the usual reverse lunges. It's just we're going to be incorporating our dumbbell while you do this reverse lunge. So how are you going to do it? So again, of course, you just have to do the same posture as how you do the reverse lunges. It's just you're holding a dumbbell. So as you notice, when I do this reverse lunge, 90 degrees, and have my back straight. And of course, as you noted as well, when you go back from that lunge position, explosive yung gagawin natin. So that is, of course, to make sure na maramdaman ng quads natin the workout that we're actually doing. So again, how you do it? But of course, when you do that explosive movement, make sure that you get yung push, no, from not just from the peak of your feet, but also dun sa heels para balance lang, no? At hindi masyadong maramdaman ng knees yung push na ginagawa mo when you do the explosive reverse lunge. Okay? Okay, for our third leg workout, we'll try to do this stiff deadlift. Very similar to the usual deadlift that we do in the gym. So for the normal deadlift, what you do is you bend your knee. You bend your knees as you do the squat. The deadlift. You bend your knees. But for this one, for stiff deadlift, so as from the name itself, na medyo stiff lang yung ating legs. You do this, and you'll bend your back, lean forward like this, and dito pa lang, you can actually feel the stretch at the back of your leg, right here. So it's gonna be our starting position. So this will be our starting position, not this, because when you do workout like this, no, it's not the legs that is being worked out, but your back. No? So remember that the starting position for this, for stiff deadlift, is right here. Okay, then you do it. So you can feel the stretch at the back of your leg whenever you do this kind of deadlift. No, that's not really necessary that you bend your knees, no, but still you feel your legs, the back of your legs is being worked out. Okay? Alright. So this is our third leg exercise. For our fourth leg exercise, what we have is the hinge squat. So how are you going to do this hinge squat? Kind of similar with the goblet squat. It's just, so when we do the hinge squat, we just have to bend like this, hinge. So basically it's hinge from your back and gagamitin natin. That's why it's called hinge squat. So you lean forward like this, and hold your dumbbell like this, and then push your butt backward to do the squats. As you can see, whenever I do the squat, I just push my butt backward and I maintain the position of my upper body, hinge at my back, like this. And you can actually feel the stretch at the back of your leg whenever you do this kind of squat. Alright, for our fifth workout, we will be doing a dumbbell step up. So basically all you have to do is to carry two of your dumbbells and step on something like this. No, pwede namang iba, no, as long as ganito siya kataas or maybe lower than this, but not as mas mataas sa ganitong kind of step up. So of course, since this is a dumbbell step up, all you have to do is to step up and then squeeze and then down. Make sure that you are doing this with your straight back. Para good posture tayo. Another one, step up, squeeze, and down. More, squeeze, up, squeeze, down. Alright. So those are going to be our 5 leg workout for today, and also hopefully magustuhan ko ng aking mga coaches, and I'll be very much happy to hear from you guys if you have like comments or anything that you want, anything you see about this workout that I need improvement or corrections. Just put down below sa aking dito sa comment on this video para and I'll be very happy to see those comments. Also, aside from dumbbells, aside from this dumbbell workout, kailangan ko rin mag-present ng athletic training. So I'll be showing you guys high knees, how to do high knees correctly, and butt kicks. So ito yung mga training na ginagawa ko when it comes to running. So this is what I learned from Adidas Runners Manila, and I'll be showing that to you right now. So for high knees guys, all you have to do is to make sure that you land your feet on on your midfoot, no, para hindi yung heel yung magta-touch on the ground, and that's gonna help you. That's gonna help you because hindi may injure yung heel nyo. So normally kasi, ako based on my experience, I have been a heel striker as a runner, and then upon learning hitting the ground through my midfoot, it helps me a lot at hindi ako masyado nagkaka-injury. And this kind of routine, high knees will help you familiarize to hit the ground with your midfoot. How you do high knees? Like this. So as you notice, whenever I do this high knees, my feet are landing. My feet lands on the ground through my midfoot. And as you notice, yung aking posture, I'm kind of leaning forward but not leaning backward. So ang normally na nagiging mistake when you do high knees is because you lean too much backward with this. This is wrong. This is a wrong posture. This may hurt your back, your lower back. So the appropriate posture is to make sure that you're leaning a little forward. Like this. Alright. So the next drill that we'll be doing is butt kicks. So this is also one way of strengthening yung legs mo, especially the hamstrings and the quads. So basically it's like a high knee. Basically it's like high knees. It's just you have to make sure that you hit your butt with your feet as you do the drill. So basically it's like this. And as you notice, almost same posture when I do high knees. Because my feet land on the ground, midfoot, and the posture of my body is a little leaning forward, not leaning backward. This, not like this. This is wrong. This is the most appropriate posture though. Alright? Okay, that's it guys for this illustration video of how to do workouts using dumbbells and some athletic training that I can share with you guys. Hopefully you guys you learn about how to do it, and if you really like this video, if you really like this workout, you might like to share this to your friends and loved ones, and hit like and subscribe as well. Thank you so much for watching guys, and see you again in my next video. Always remember that you are valued and appreciated.